Veteran showbiz personality Annabel Rama thought that her daughter Rufa Gutierrez and her ex-husband Yilmaz Bectas are still in love with each other. Rufa and Yilmaz had a controversial breakup. The actress had to leave their home in Turkey and return to the Philippines because of the abuse he received from her ex-husband. Eventually, healing happened and they became okay. Rufa even allowed her daughters Lorraine and Venice to visit their father in 2022. In a recent interview, Rufa was asked about the boss environment that Yilmaz now has for her. She said that because she is Yilmaz's boss. Then, the actress shared that Yilmaz intends to propose to her and get married to her once again. Rufa Gutierrez admitted that she thought her ex-husband was just joking, but apparently, he was serious about it. In a recent article by Abante Entertainment writer June Lalin, he shared what Annabel Rama said about Rufa's revelation about Yilmaz's intention. The Gutierrez matriarch admitted that she knew about this already. Despite the abuse issue in the past, Annabel believed that her former son-in-law has changed and matured. For her, with the age of Yilmaz now, he would not hurt Rufa anymore. Sabi ko kay Rufa, nagmature na si Yilmaz at sa Europe naman sila pupunta at kasama pa sina Lorraine at Venice kaya imposible namang saktan pa siya, Annabel said. Moreover, the Gutierrez matriarch believes that Rufa and Yilmaz still have feelings for each other. Saka naniniwala ako na mahal pa nila talaga ang isa't isa, she shared. When asked about Yilmaz's desire to marry Rufa again, Annabel said that she has no violent reaction to this. She said that this will be her daughter's decision if ever, but she reiterated that Rufa and Yilmaz still love each other. Meanwhile, in June 2024, Rufa Gutierrez confirmed her relationship with actor-politician Herbert Bautista.